Hey, it's David Bradley up at the top corner here with Grant Cardone. I'm going to go full screen for just a quick second. Hey, what I want to talk with you about today is what should you be as a sales professional or even as a manager, what should you be training on inside Grant's online programs to make sure that when this is over, because it will be, okay, that you come back stronger and ready to go. Okay. So you can either come back and then get ready, or you can come back already ready. You know what I'm saying? So Grant's been saying this the whole time. When this is over, and it will be, who is coming out on the other side? Is it going to be a better version of you? So let's go back to the screen share because I want to give you some ideas on some things that you should be training on right now to prep yourself to be even better when this is over. And if you're working from home, if you're on furlough and you want to still have some outflow, because outflow is always senior to inflow, regardless of what's happening in the economy. So I'm going to pop into the training center real quick here for just a second. I'm going to slip past this. Okay, here's our training center. For salespeople, click on where it says sales right here. And where I'd like you to go when the sales box loads up is inside pick your problem. When you click on pick your problem, here's what I want you thinking with. Can you generate your own traffic? If you as a salesperson are relying on advertising, if you are relying on people showing up at your door, coming to you, that is all going to need to change because to some degree it already has, right? And people aren't coming in at the frequency that they used to. You have to start going to them. So what I'd like you to be training on is our prospecting content. And when you get inside prospecting, you've got strategies on how to do that. This is going to be Grant giving you the basics on prospecting, real tips on doing it correctly, but also how to build a list. How to build a list of people that you can start reaching out to and starting a communication cycle with. So when this is done, you're top of mind. As a salesperson, you got two problems, three actually, but there's the big one, obscurity. If people don't know you, they can't do business with you. And if they knew you and forgot about you, that is on you. Okay, so how do you make sure that doesn't happen? That's through our prospecting content. These are all of the ideas of people that you can build lists for to reach out to. And Grant's going to go one step further with you on this. And he's not only going to show you how to create lists, but he's going to show you exactly how to make the call. You're going to have exact word tracks and verbiages to say to all of the people on the list that you're going to build. Okay. So this will get you into some action. This will get you doing activity. This is going to get you reaching out into the marketplace, building your book of business, setting up appointments, staying in communication with all of the opportunities that you have right now. Also, how do you make a cold call? What would it be worth to build a script that you can use, that you can rely on 100% to make cold calls? If you've never done that before, this is your opportunity. So there's ways to the process, how to get past gatekeepers, handling objections when you're making the cold call, how to get prepared for the cold call, the types of calls you can make, just getting your foundation right. Both of these were designed in here to help you generate your own traffic and not be relying on inflow, but to position you to outflow even stronger, even harder. Okay. Next, follow up. 48% of salespeople don't do it. So if you want an immediate competitive advantage in the marketplace, get your follow-up game on. When you pop in here, Grant's going to give you all the tools you need to become a master at the art of follow-up. And never, ever in the history of business has follow-up been more important than it is right now. The stream beats the rock. That's a standard principle, but now so more than ever. And if you're stressed out about everything that's going on, if you're getting worried, if you're getting nervous, if you're losing control, okay, get in here. Work on improving your attitude. Work on getting motivated. And then most importantly, work on 10xing your level of success. These two programs right here should help you make sure that your head's in the right place. And that's really what we want to do. We want to make sure that your attitude is on right, that your approach is dialed in, that you are the reason for your success. You are the cause of it. You are not the effect of an economy. You create your own economy. And when you look up that word in the dictionary, you know what? There's your homework. Look up the word economy in the dictionary. And more importantly, look at the definition or the origin, the etymology of the word economy and what it means, where it originated. It's Greek. I'll give you a hint. It's a Greek root. It means something very specific that is unique to you. So if you need help, If you have any questions, you want to give me a call, feel free to reach out to me at any time. I'm at 818-427-5188. These are some ideas on things you can be trading on right now to make sure that when this is over, and it will be, that you come out on top, that you're positioned to launch, not you show up and you're like, okay, now what are we going to do? Show up. Number one rule of success, and then show up ready. 818-427-5188. I'm David Bradley. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what I can do to help you.